Hey guys, welcome to the Hashtag Coder YouTube channel. In the last video, we have seen some headings and paragraph. In this video, we will see some text formatting. So let's start it. So guys, these are the some text formatting tags available in HTML. So first of all, we will see B tag. B tag is used for making the text bold. Suppose we want to make this line bold, so we have to put this line within the B tag. So we will put this line within the B tag. Now you can see we have put this line within the B tag. We will save it and go to browser. After reloading, you can see the line became bold. Second tag is the I tag. I tag is used for making the text italic. Suppose we want to make this line italic. So we have to put this line within the I tag. So we will put this line within the I tag. We will save it and reload the browser. Now you can see this line became italic. Third tag is the U tag, and U tag is used for making the text underline. Suppose we want this line to be underlined. So we will put this line within the U tag. So now you can see we have put this line within the U tag. So we will save it and reload the browser. Now you can see this line is underlined. Fourth tag is the strong tag, and strong tag is used for making the text bold. Suppose we want some text to be bold from the paragraph. So we will put these words within the strong tag. Now you can see we have put the word Microsoft Corporation within the strong tag. We will save it and reload the browser. Now you can see the word Microsoft Corporation became bold. Fifth tag is the del tag, and del tag is used to delete the text. Suppose we have a product like men trimmer, and suppose its regular price is $240 and its selling price is $200. Now we will save it and reload the browser. Now you can see that we have a product like men's trimmer with the regular price of $240 and selling price of $200. Now suppose we have to delete the $240. We will put $240 within the del tag. Now you can see we have put the $240 within the del tag. We will save it and reload the browser. Now you can see the $240 is cut, means it is deleted. Sixth tag is the superscript tag. Superscript text appears half a character above the normal line. Suppose we want to display the square of A. So we will put the square within the SUP tag. Now you can see we have put the square within the SUP tag. We will save it and reload the browser. Now you can see the superscript is displaying up above the normal line. Seventh tag is the subscript tag. Subscript tag appears half bottom the normal line. Suppose we want to display the base for the binary number. So we will put the base within the SUB tag. Now you can see we have just put the subscript text within the SUB tag. So we will save it and reload the browser. Now you can see the output is displaying on the browser. The subscript text appears bottom of the normal line. Last tag is the mark tag. Mark tag is used for marking the text. Suppose we have an important line in a paragraph and we have to mark it. So we will put this line within the mark tag. So now you can see we have put the line within the mark tag. So we will save it and reload the browser. Now you can see the line is marked. So these were text formatting tags in HTML. So if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.